Hello YouTube and welcome to a short Techsloth video. Today the new Bose noise cancelling headphones have arrived. They are called the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. So no Quiet Comfort anymore. So no Quiet Comfort 45 for example. This is a completely new design of the device and we are going to have a quick look around. So we get this nice neat box. Here in Europe those devices cost 400 euros. So for that I'm expecting a nice box, and on the back side we get some information about the headphones: premium sound, world-class adjustable noise cancelling, and this is one of the things Bose is advertising those things with two main points: noise cancelling and phone quality, so that you can making a phone call in a very noisy place and people you are calling will hear nothing of the noise. So this is one of the things I'm really excited to test out. So made for iPhone, Android, Bluetooth, Google Assistant, Alexa built in. Oh, and we see what's inside the box: headphones, case, USB cable and audio cable, and up to 20 hours per charge, so there's nothing changed. So we got the box, let's open it up, and we get a huge case. This is you directly see that you can't fold them anymore like the Quiet Comfort generation before this one. So something against moisture, and we get this start here. So we get our quick start book here, like get the app, the Bose Music app, turn the headphones on, and that's it. And then follow the instructions in the app, and yeah, that's it here. So we get this case. You can bend it, normal travel case, but this is definitely a huge one. So putting this in your hand luggage while traveling, this sums a lot of your free volume up. So let's open it. Normal zipper, and there we go. Ooh, stylish. You can get the 700 headphones in two colors: a matte black or a silver version. So everything's normal here. Put them aside. Again, the instructions: downloads the Bose Music app, and one new thing on the right side. So the right earpiece, let's see, yes, the right earpiece got a touch control on the right side. So touch control for making phone calls, adjusting the volume and pause and play. Okay, and there is another compartment here for our cables, which this is magnetic. See? Yes, it closes magnetically, and we got no airplane Y adapter. So why? I mean, those things cost €1, for example, and you're selling this. You get the travel case. So why don't I get the Y adapter for traveling, for the for the airplanes? So we get a normal cable, USB to USB Type-C for charging, really short cable. And we get our audio jack cable, which is not a normal one. Again, Bose is doing it special. We got a 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable. So if you want to hook it up, the headphones, to a normal audio port, you need this cable, or a cable like this. Normal cables with 3.5mm to 3.5mm won't fit here. So now we get this new stylish design here. You can't fold them anymore any closer, so any smaller. So this will this is, I don't think, if you want to put them, this is, I really loved about the Quiet Comfort 35 headphones, that you can really fold them small together. Even the Sony 1000MX3 devices, you can really fold them. Nothing more here. This is normal wearing them, and this is folding them. This is yes, you can adjust them, but no clicking adjustment more. You have to now shove them. Oh man, I'm not really convinced about this construction here, because now I can't see if both sides are at the same height here, unless I put them on this flat surface and then compare it. But I get it's stylish, build quality feels nice, and we got an R for right. We got the off button. We got the voice assistant or the smart assistant button, USB Type-C on the right side. small headphone jack on the left side, the touch surface, and we got another button for the noise cancelling for the settings. So next step, you download the Bose Music app from the App Store, follow the instructions, and then you start listening to the music you want to hear. And first of all, I just put them on. I have to say, without noise cancelling, this is they're over-ears headphones. And directly the surrounding is a little bit muted. This is nice. Next thing is listening to music, I would say nice audio quality. No, this is something really nice. But what really gets me is the noise cancelling at 100%. You can push the button one time for full noise cancelling, a second time for only 50% noise cancelling, and a third time for noise cancelling off. If you activate the noise cancel to 100%, nice. You directly feel it's way quieter. This is, I'm after just a couple of minutes here, but I have to say, first impression of the noise cancelling, really, really nice. And this is the thing, they have changed so much about them. Why couldn't they just use the old design, put USB Type-C in it, and get the new noise cancelling technology? And that's it. But now, and the price, of course, 400 euros is really high. I will, of course, compare them to the Quiet Comfort 35 and to the Sonys, which are now way cheaper to get. So these things have to be really, really good in noise cancelling, or the best out there, to be able to compete with the predecessor, with the Sony devices. But this is something I have to figure out in the next couple of days. Oh, and the touch surface, yes, it works. Double tap for play and pause. And no auto detection if I got them on my ears or not. So volume control, you can see swiping down for less volume, swiping up for more volume. Touch control until now was okay. Nothing really fancy or really, really good. And everything else we'll see in the next couple of days and weeks. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.